Alright, so here's a quick and easy example of what IoT, Internet of Things, entails. Right now, we've got a Pi that's set up, and these devices are hooked up to one network. On the Pi, I have a script, a Python script running such that once you are able to access its IP address, it forwards you to an HTML page. And within this page, we can control devices that are hooked up to the Pi. So, if you were to look over here, and I were to click, let's see, lock, I can actuate the servo. And I can reverse that with these buttons over here. The logic is a little inverted, but that's an easy fix with software. Additionally, just to prove they can have multiple devices hooked up to the Pi, and you can control those, we have LEDs set up over here, 4 of them, and we've got 8 buttons, 1 through 8. Now, once you cycle through the numbers, you can see their binary representation is shown through the LEDs. So we've got 5, 6, 7, and 8. You don't have to go in order. You can pick whichever one you want, and the corresponding binary number will appear. So that's how you can control it through Wi-Fi. Alright, so immediately following that last post, IoT is not limited to simply Wi-Fi connections. So, for example, this Wii remote communicates through Bluetooth, and the Raspberry Pi is able to receive Bluetooth signals. So, all I did was I just switched over the signal pin from the servo. It was formerly attached to pin 38, now it's on pin 40, and have a Python script that's running in the background, which allows me to utilize some of the Wii remote's buttons in order to control things. So, if I were to go ahead and click 1, the servo moves all the way over. 2 moves in the other direction. And this connection can be done back and forth. If you listen, the Wii remote vibrates, and that is also done through Python. I can send a command over here as well. Let me switch over my hands. Additionally, I can also fine-tune the movement, and then LED will blink up until I've hit the max point. We're almost there. There we go. Same thing in the reverse direction. And that'll keep going until we hit the other end. To disconnect, simply hit the plus, and the buttons will not work. If we go over to the desktop, here are our scripts. Script on the left shows the Python script that was running for the Bluetooth connection. You can see we just disconnected the Wii remote, and I had it display the pulse width. So that's just simply how you control the motor, and it had the duty cycle and percentage displayed with each time I clicked a button. Over to my right, this is the Python script that allows us to access that HTML page when typing in the Pi's IP address. So this was working that website that we had with the tablet, and that's how you can control devices.